Hola YouTube fam, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are doing a spring 2020 decorate with me. I will be setting up a Easter themed tablescape in my dining room area. I recently redid the table when I did my spring cleaning, deep clean thingamabob. If you watched that video, you saw I kind of set up the table. But now that the quarantine is here, I needed something to do, so I decided to do some Easter decor. So here I am starting with the table. I always clean the table off. You've heard me talk about this plenty of times about keeping the table clean because it is glass and I have a cat. So I am wiping the table down as always. After I wiped the table down, I started with some Easter grass that you put in the baskets. I got this from Target. It was $2. It's a purple color. It's a mix of like iridescent strands and like paper strands. So it's a mixture. I put that in the center of the table and kind of carved out the center so that I could place the vase flat down. So I kind of just made it into like a little nest. After I did that, I placed the flower vase in the center of it. And I was just checking to make sure it was flat and trying to fix the grass around it. The grass honestly is not going to be a perfect shape or a perfect way just because it's grass, and so you can play with it as much as you want, but it's not going to change. After that, I placed some flowers in the vase. I got these from Michael's. This is like lavender and white. I know you can't see it, it's kind of cut off. I didn't realize that it was out of frame, but the flowers are lavender. Lavender is kind of the theme I am going with for this spring, so I really love that. I have lavender pretty much everywhere that I place flowers: the kitchen, the bathroom, etc. So I'm just fixing the bouquet here until I think it's right, kind of just turning it and fixing it. After that was situated, I am taking these sparkled glittery eggs. I found these at Target as well, and placing them on the outer border of the little grass nest. So I'm just situating those until they were laying flat. I have to get one more to place on the back side because I actually used that in an Easter basket I made. It was a green one and I wanted to put the green one in the basket. These came in a pack of 6 and I think they were like $3.99 at Target. So I just need to get one more pack so I can put one more egg in the back there. Once that was finished, I just took a moment to dust off the table again, simply because those eggs did have glitter and those large sparkle specks on them. So I just wiped the table down one more time for any, thing that fell off of the eggs. Next, it was time to place the plates. So here I'm using a white charger. I got these from Michael's Christmas 2018, and I'm pairing it with a blue plate that I found at Hobby Lobby. So I just paired all of those and put them around the table. I absolutely really loved the plate. One, I thought it was really cute. It still went with the spring and like Easter colors, but it wasn't necessarily in the Easter owl because pretty much all of the Easter plates were like out of stock at Hobby Lobby. They were also 40% off, so I think I only ended up paying like $2 per plate or something like that. So it was fairly inexpensive, and they are actual plates, so they're ceramic plates. A lot of the plates I have are melamine, which is like that durable, hard plastic type plate. You can find those typically at Michael's and Hobby Lobby too. But once again, I like the fact that these are ceramic because I could use them outside of decor purposes. 99% of the plates I place on the table are for decor, but once again, I could use these for real or decor. After I placed the plates, I put down these coasters. I didn't have like Easter themed coasters, so I just took these natural colored wooden coasters that I already had and put those on the table. I felt like it still tied in well with the theme because Easter reminds me of like outside and springtime and the trees, so I thought this still tied in pretty well. Once that was finished, I came over to the island and I started working on the cups. I didn't just want to put cups down. I kept thinking, what could I do to make the cups festive? So I thought about putting Easter eggs in the cups. So here I am just cleaning off the cups. I just used Windex to clean like the dust because these were already in like the cabinet, so I just wiped them down. I took Easter egg grass. This grass is from Dollar Tree. They had lots of different colors as well, so I just took the grass, I balled it up, and I tried to kind of carve out the center of that as well so the egg could sit in there, but I found the scissors really didn't work that well. Once I did that, I placed another set of Easter eggs in the cup. These are kind of like sparkly and pastel colors as well. And so I just put that in the cup and kind of made the inside festive. So here I am just placing the rest of the grass and the eggs in each cup, and I just thought it was really cute after I finished each of them. So after I finished the cups, I placed them on the table, and I really just felt like this helped, dress the table up a little bit more, because I really didn't know what I was going to do with the table after I decided to do this whole little, Easter layout. But I really felt like this helped make it just a little more festive and really cute and appealing to the eye. Next was Project Candlesticks. So I was thinking of something that could dress up the candle holders, and I thought about this last night actually. I was like, oh, I could put eggs on top of the candle holders as well. So I just wiped these down with some Windex. They are glass as well, so once again, just wiping off the excess dust that builds on them. Then I took these white candles. They're the flat kind. I got these from Walmart, I think. I took those and I placed them in the bed of the candle holder. I placed hot glue on the bottom of the egg, as well as in the place where the wick is. These are used candles, so they had like that little hole that is made when, like the wax burns or melts. So I placed glue in that little area as well, just so that it would adhere well. And then I just held the egg down in place for a couple of seconds just to make sure it was attached and adhered well to the candle. After I had placed both of the eggs on top of the candle, I just did a little shake test to make sure that they were on there well and weren't going to fall off, and it was time to place them on the table. This is an up close look. You can see that the eggs are kind of sparkly, so really cute, and it goes well with my lavender flowers. I placed them on the table and I just thought that was a look, y'all, a whole look. So here's a full look at the table. I was really pleased with how it came out. The only thing I have to add are napkins, but once again, Corona got us stuck in the house, so I have to find some napkins to go with the table and napkin rings. But I really love it for the most part as it is right now. This was a quick and easy project. Simply just find a basket you like, add grass in the color that you want, and then eggs of your choice. Very simple, and once again, just adds flavor to another area. Another quick little project that you can do, if you have extra baskets in your house, you can dress those up really quick and just add a little more theme to your space. Here I have this 3-tier standing basket. You can put like fruits or different things in it, but I use it for decor purposes mostly. For example, during Christmas I put pine cones in here. So this was the first time doing like an Easter theme with this, and I just thought this was really cute. I took the extra grass that I had and I placed it in the bottom of the baskets, and then I just took another pack of Easter eggs that I had lying around and put them in each of the baskets. So it just really helped dress up this little corner and make it more festive. And there you have it, another quick and easy project that you can add to your space just to give it a little more Easter festivity. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye!